All right. What's going on, guys? Shane here, HomeBizNetworks.com. In this quick, short video, I am going to talk about why I'm winning and why you're not. Okay, no offense. I know that was a Darth Vader laugh, but the reality of it is, guys, what I want to talk about, some things that have making me successful and what could be preventing you guys from launching your business, getting started, hitting your first affiliate sale, whatever the case may be. All right. I just got out of the gym. All right. And it's about 7 in the morning here in Boston, Mass. And the thought hit me when I was on the elliptical. And it's this, and I wanted to share this with you guys real quick. This is only gonna be a short video. Pretty much the reason why I'm winning, and probably you guys aren't, and I don't mean no offense, but what I mean is why I'm starting to be successful with my online business is because I'm working when you're sleeping. I'm studying when you're partying. I am constantly working on my business every single day, okay? That is the trick, okay? Now, in my personal mind, right, like right now, I have a deadline. Tomorrow is launch day for a client's website, right? I was up till about almost 1 in the morning last night working on this client's website. I get up early today, 6 in the morning, to go to the gym, to release some stress, to free my mind, and to think about what's going on, because tomorrow is a very important day for a client, okay? So what I do is I hit the gym, I work out, okay, and I free my mind, all right? And then this thought came to my head, okay, and I realized something, that I am putting in a lot of work when a lot of people aren't putting work. I'm putting in daily activities to grow my online business, okay? And a lot of people won't do that, especially when it's not succeeding, especially when you're not getting sales, you're not getting website clicks, you're wasting money on paid ads, whatever the case may be. All right, so pretty much I'm working while y'all sleeping, I'm studying while y'all are partying, okay? Take a look at what you guys are doing, all right? Think about it. Can you, instead of watch the news, put an hour in setting up that email campaign for your website, instead of, watch your favorite football team, but don't watch the highlight reel, the post-game shows. Work on your business. This is some tips. All right, guys, my name's Shane. I want to get this thought out real quick for you guys, because I think it's going to help that people make excuses on why they can't sell a product online or build their website, right? But the real truth of the matter is you guys just not putting in the work and the grind. This takes a long time, okay? Hitting your first sale online, just to give you guys an example, took me almost 2 years to get my first affiliate sale online. 2 effing years, okay? Now, I had some website clients before that, and I've done other website projects before that, but it took me 2 years, okay? Another thing too was I focused on a year of only free SEO methods, which gained me a lot of skills at the time, but didn't convert well. It wasn't until I started using paid ads and classified ads was when I started to get some more sales and doing YouTube videos like this. So guys, my name's Shane. I hope this video helps you out a lot. Remember, guys, keep working on your business. Don't get frustrated, okay? This is a marathon, not a sprint. And I wish you all the best of luck. Leave a comment below. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Bye.